Hello folks, this is the second video we are going to shoot today, and we would like to actually show you what you will get if you decide to invest into the VCTE or telescopic basic kit system. So besides the brush, which is called a C1000, 1000 millimeter or 40 inches with a little bit shorter splash guard, you'll get a VCTE gooseneck, which is connecting the brush, and VCTE telescopic poles. So for that system also you'll get a special hose which has two different endings. One is with a quick connector, male or female, based on what kind of valve system you decide to invest in. However, this end is always the same, and it connects the 6-inch final or finish adapter, which goes like that on this thread, and then you put it together with a telescopic system. So again, the neck, the adapter, the hose. Also, the part of the kit is a water stop, which is very handy. It's got a suction cap right here with a male and female quick connectors. So, and like I said, stainless steel plate. Just put it on the plate. You set up the suction cap, and you can carry it around. You can connect it with the hoses. This quick connector will allow you to release all the air and the water, possibly some kind of dirt from your lines. And when you are ready to go, you just connect it. You just connect it with a hose, and the hose will be already set or part of the telescopic poles, and you will just very easily reconnect it with the adapter. So hose will pop up right here. You will obviously your connector. You connect your hose very easily right here. Then you connect it with a gooseneck, and you will be pretty much ready to go. So couple of information about those telescopic poles. Newly they have a silicone sleeve which protects you, or it's actually increasing your safety. Doesn't protect you entirely, but really is increasing the safety. Please read all the instructions right here. It's very important to read that fine print, to kind of be educated, to avoid certain situations. So telescopic pole system, I find it very handy for the situations like you see on this poster. Mostly medium-sized commercial roofs where you have a perfect flash mount panels, and you need to extend your brush without using segments of the modular system. So this system also comes with 3 supporting brushes if you need it. So you can install them. This guy is cleaning only for portrait, but if you will have situation like 6 or 7 portrait, you can actually put a supporting brushes to avoid any kind of scratching on the glass. So forgot almost one thing to mention. VCTE system comes in the 2 sizes. One is 12 meter and or 36 feet, if I'm not mistaken. And also you can have a larger one, and that's a 15 meter, okay, 45 feet approximately. So most of my customers, they prefer 12. It's only 7 segments. You will obviously feel that you are working with a 7 poles together. So like I said, it's excellent. Large roofs or actually carports to clean from the basket. I would not recommend it to clean or use it for many residential solar installations because simply the weight, but you know what, you can still do it. Okay, so if you decide for the telescope and you have only few residential installations, you can still do it. Newly, the manufacturer came up with this valve, which I found it very handy. It comes right here. It goes between the gooseneck and the adapter, which is actually in the telescopic poles. So it goes right here. Again, there is a system of the hexagons. Maybe you know it from my previous videos. So that system makes sure that everything is lined up, and your gooseneck is perfectly fitting 90 degrees to the brush. So I like to have a valve right here because let's say you are cleaning carport, you have already your water stop in the basket, where is the hose from the pressure washer, and then you open it, and then you open this valve, and you can better control your brush while using this valve. I love it. So that's the basic kit. So if you need more hoses, obviously we have them. Here is a sample of the 50-meter hose, or 160 feet. Again, it comes from us with the quick connectors. If you really need a long hose, we have also 100-meter, which is like 330 feet. But I like to use personally this hose for the ground mount installations. Okay, so if I have a roof installation, I prefer to have my finish hose, which is 25-meter, 80 feet, and then series of the 50-meter hoses if I need it. Okay, so also the part of the deal is a sand filter. It's a kind of little tool, but I like it because we don't know the source of the water, whether it is the water babe or something. So sometimes it is a water tank, so I like the filter the hose. I mean the water by the source of the water. So that's pretty much it. Both systems are coming with the manuals. You can read all kind of technical specs, and its manual tells you actually tells about the maintenance and especially about the safety. Okay, both of them. So this is for the poles, and in this binder you'll find also manual how to operate the brush, how to provide the maintenance, and again some kind of safety tips. So if you wonder where you can buy all those marvelous, great, durable, made in Germany parts and tools, call Diana Climbs. She's in charge of the marketing and the sales with our division of Solo Cleantechs. She's just showing you her business card, and please contact her. You can contact her or me. We'll be more than happy to talk to you and answer more questions if you have. So you know where to reach us, and we'll be happy to hearing from you, and hopefully you will decide for this system. It is a very good system. We are using it for more than 10 years, and we are very, very happy with the brush and with the hoses, valves, the poles, everything. Okay, so good luck with that.